Good evening, everyone. I have this cheese chicken seasoned up since Saturday to cook Sunday, and Sunday I didn't cook it, so I'm gonna cook it today. I'm gonna get my pot hot and take up all the seasoning off this chicken, and I'll get back to you. Yes, I'm back. I clean off some of the chicken. I still have to do the rest. But I have some potato right here that I'm gonna fry. Gonna fry some potatoes. Okay, guys. When I finish frying up the potatoes, I'll come back. Okay, so we done fry the chicken. So now I wanna add and pour out some of the oil out of the pot. So there go. So this is what I'm doing. Okay. Going up this. And then I'm going to put the chicken. I'm going to use the brownie. Hey guys. I'm using one hand. So bear with me. I don't have the cameraman. Okay. Now the cameraman over here. So I'm putting the chicken now. I make them cook down. Okay, look at that. Look at soon. I'll look at soon. I'll look at your arm. I'll look at 3 people. I'll look at your arm. Okay. Hello. Now put some more water in there. I make them cook up with it. We use hot water. Yeah, I'm sorry, so I can't pour much. As I want to, I'm not doing the one. I mean, I have the tripod. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next clip. Yes, some chicken there stew down. Like I said before guys, I want and I use, you know, some chicken there stew down. And I put down browning in there. See? That's I'm frying. Now I'm gonna throw in the seasoning. One hand. And throw in the seasoning. I may have some potato on the fry. I'll put in potato and then fry already. Now it'll take long. Okay. So I'm gonna make this cook up. I'm gonna make all this cook up. We'll season them in it. Okay. Alright. I may have two little cabbages so. I'm gonna go in the back. And I cut up them cabbage there with some carrots and make like a stir fry. So guys, I'll see you in the next clip. Yes guys, so I'm gonna come up on the backyard. I'm gonna get a little bell pepper. So now I'm gonna fry up my onion. I'm gonna fry my onion and my garlic. Right. I'll fry them a little bit. I'm going to catch in that pot. But I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can, guys. Doing the best I can. Okay. So I'm going to put the onion and garlic. Okay? So now, like you said, the cabbage. Let's put some black pepper on it. Then I put the salt. With some black pepper, so I'm going to pour in the cabbage in there. Alright. I'm going to look at something to hold the phone. So I can use my two hands. So I'm going to put in the cabbage. And you know, so the cabbage from my backyard, I'm going to grow. I grow from scrap. I have my seed. When I cook. And a little piece of tough part and a nigger. I push it and I it grow. Never get big head, but I get little head. I'm still grateful for me get. Hey guys. Or could I get nothing? So every little bit you get, you gotta give thanks. Oh my God. It is like a little stir fry thing. You know? Like a little stir fry. So I'm gonna make the cabbage cook a little bit. A little bit, not too much. But now I cover the pot now, leave the pot open. I'm gonna do them things. You know? I'm gonna cut up some carrots with the cabbage. I'll put like a black pepper on it. And little pimento. We're growing a pimento. So when I want it, I have to keep a grind all the time. Just grind it out and put it in my buckle. So every time I want it, it's dead already, you know. And everything you cook in a, and everything where you cook, you want to put pimento seed in it. You know, it's something you want to grind it out a little bit, you know. So I'm going to make this go on, do a thing, and thing, you know. And then we'll get back to you. Yes, guys, so then I'm done stir fry, make little cabbage yourself. So, I got my little bell pepper. I'm a scale them go in the back of the pig. So I'm going to put them in now. I'll put them in now. Alright. I'm going to show you that it's in there. I turn my flame too high. Well, no, you can't see them pot, you know. Not what you can't see them, I think so. But I'm not going to show you in a little bit. I forgot to put something there to show you. We said we can't flip it. No more flip. Ain't no more flip to me. So, at least I'm going to wear so. I look a bell pepper, I look something then. It's hard. When you have to do things in one hand. So that's what I'm going over there so. Let's cook a stir fry cabbage. There you go. I'm just flip the foam. I want to flip over. Really? So, this is my little stir fry cabbage. Make my little stir fry. There you go. Cabbage not too soft. Nothing ain't too soft. There you go. My little cabbage from my backyard. For myself. My little stir fry. So I'm gonna make me a plate. And I come back to you. I cannot make the plates. I only have one hand. So I'm gonna make the plates and come back to you. Let me see. Maybe I can. I don't know. Let me see what I can do. But this is my little backyard cabbage, backyard bell pepper, backyard scallion. Only thing in there when the backyard are the onion and the carrot. But everything in there else, I have a backyard thyme. Everything is from the backyard. Okay, guys. Everything in my pot all natural. Okay. I'm gonna make a plate and I will get back to you. Okay, guys. I find a little way to do this. So, I have my rice cook over here. So, right, I cook my rice with scallion and thyme and butter. And I'm gonna make a big dish coming home. I'm not gonna eat it off. But I know I'm gonna make a dish for you. So, rice. I'm gonna rinse off a spoon. I can't put the spoon in the rice spoon in the meat pot and then put it in the pot. I'm gonna rinse it off. So now, I'm gonna clean it, so I'm gonna do the sugar spatula. So I'm gonna take a look at my cabbage. look a stir fry. I don't think you can see it so good, you know. But I do my best. Bear with me, I do my best. And my chicken over here, so I forgot to go to pot them. The chicken over here. Okay. Look a carrot. I never take out the time in the pot. I should take out the time in the pot, never take it out. My bad, guys, sorry. I'm gonna use I don't use regular time no more. I use a lemon time. The lemon time give your food a whole different flavor. A whole different flavor, guys. You need to try it. Try the lemon time, guys. And you're gonna see your food tastes very different. Lemon time, good. It doesn't have this nice lemony flavor. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just have this nice flavor. So, let's have a nice flavor to it. So, let me see if we can do this again. Let me see. Okay. Let me see if we can turn this on. Yes, that food you don't want to cooperate sometimes, you know. Sometimes it want to be misbehaved. Okay, so this is our plate with our stew chicken with stir-fried vegetables and white rice. And there go my pot with my chicken right there. And there go my rice right there. But I got my rice is scallion and thyme and butter. Okay. And there go my stir fry right there. Okay, guys. So, guys, like, share, and subscribe. God, give me a big thumbs up, guys. I'm trying. Come on, guys. You gotta help me. You gotta share. Guys, please share my video and help me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your views. I'm gonna thank you for everything. Okay. See you in my next video. And whatever next meal I make, I will share it with you. Thank you.